it up, and all this sagging and this right here on a tired day magically goes away in 7 minutes. All right in front of your eyes. Underneath the jowls here, all the lines right here. Underneath the eyes. Lift up the eyebrows a bit. Lifting it all up and out. And these lines right here. Now, you have to stay motionless for 7 minutes. So, look at the results. 7 minutes. It's starting to tighten up. All right, I'm not being motionless, so I'm just gonna be quiet. I'm gonna let you watch for a minute, and then I'll come back and show you the results. See everything? All the lines going away. And this sucking up. All the lines here are going away. He's interested as well. His wrinkles are very cute. All right, right now it's been about a minute and a half. And as you can see, all this is getting tightened up. I'll be back in 7 minutes. Okay, so it's been 7 minutes. It's very tight. So if you wanted to try this for an emergency or just to see what your face would look like with a facelift, this is the product for you. Now, this is a little too tight and it has a little chalkiness to it, a little white. So as you can see, the wrinkles are gone, especially the ones here. Okay, and everything is tight, very, very tight. No under eye bags. No nasolabial folds. Everything is all sucked up. So now I'm going to take a little water. You can use a moisturizer. You can use your makeup to decrease the strength of it so you're not pulled so tight. So right now I'm going to go rinse it off a little bit because I'd like to be able to make an expression and to smile and to have my natural look back. So I'm going to go rinse it off a little bit. I'm gonna rinse off a little bit so that I can get a little bit of this loosened up and feel like I can talk. Okay, better. Okay, 7 minutes. I rinsed it off a little bit. I can make facial expressions very easy. And you can get it at your local Sephora. It's right here, this product right over here. So if you're having an emergency and you feel like you need to tighten everything up, get rid of those lines, this is the product for you. And also if you just want to see what it feels like to have a facelift, this tightens everything up in just a couple minutes. It acts like a glue. So you're welcome. Shh, don't tell a soul. Have a wonderful time.